Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Walts. How about I help you make the most amount of money you have ever in 2024? And it's going to be powered by Go High Level. I'm going to first start with a traditional business such as a salon. I happen to be a stylist at 31 years, and I actually use the software. So what's really great is when you implement Go High Level into your salon, you'll have access to a whole bunch of the templates. And if you want to run a special, it only takes a few clicks. And what's really great is that when you put up your own salon special, you get to keep most of the profits. All right, so next, what if you decided you wanted to build a social media agency? Social media is not going away anytime soon. And if you like making graphics and you want to help other businesses, well, Go High Level has your back. Because guess what? Right out of the box, they already have some templates so you can get up and running in no time flat. How amazing is that? So then, if you decide then you want to have multiple customers, you can also do that all inside one account. And then my all-time favorite topic is capture and lead rescue, helping other businesses save the missed calls that they might have not been able to pick up, seeing that 62% of businesses don't pick up the phone at the first attempt. So there's missed call text back. So what does that mean? You can see from my screen, that's an actual screenshot. I missed 404 calls this year. Why am I not crying? Because I was able to set up an automation and turn some of those missed calls into conversations through texting and an all-in-one dashboard. Imagine how grateful a client would be to you and your new agency. Can you imagine the price that you could charge for that? Because you'd be absolutely helping your clients attract and save their own business, maybe even rescue their business, and you might be the best thing that's happened to them yet in 2024. And isn't it great that Go High Level is here? And with your imagination, the combination of two, it's just endless. The only way you cannot make money with Go High Level is if you don't try it.